Did you know one man stole $4.5 billion from an entire country and then hid it in plain sight by throwing the most expensive parties in the world? His name was Jho Low, and in 2009, he found a way inside Malaysia's National Investment Fund, a government account meant to develop the country. Over 6 years, he drained it completely. But here is where it gets strange. He didn't hide the money. He spent it publicly. He co-financed the Wolf of Wall Street. He bought a super yacht longer than a football field. He paid for celebrity parties in Las Vegas where champagne bottles arrived with sparklers and six-figure price tags. Nobody suspected him because nobody thought a real criminal would be that visible. The glamour was the disguise. By the time investigators connected the dots, Low had vanished. He is believed to be living freely in China today. But the prime minister who helped cover it up was convicted and sentenced to 12 years in prison. One man emptied a country and walked away. The country's leader took the fall.